All right, guys, this is alternating pistol jump squat, and you really don't need to be doing these unless you are already good at pistol squats. I tell you, we can just do jump squats if they're not great at doing the pistol squat and getting deep in motion. So anyways, it looks like this. You do a pistol squat, you explode up, you jump, you decelerate on the way down to the other side. You just keep swapping these bad boys up. You don't want to see people will get like trying to do it fast, and they'll start doing like something like this right here, and you don't want to see that stuff. You want to jump up, get explosive on the way up, de-accelerate on the way down, almost stop it with that hip, and then swap legs. Very explosive movement there.